Begin by safely jacking up and supporting your car. If you need additional assistance with this task, please follow the link provided at the end of this video. With the car safely off the ground, you will need to remove the engine tray. A great many of these cars have had the engine trays and front side shields removed over the years and not replaced. If you happen to have a car that still has all the under trays and original hardware, here is what you need to do. There are 4 T25 torque bolts, yellow arrows, holding the tray on. Remove them, and then slide the tray back out of the friction clips, red arrows, on the front air dam. This photo illustrates where the plate connects to the 2 side shields, red arrows. There is an access hole in the left side shield, red arrow, that you can access the drain plug from, or if you want to remove the shield, it is held in place by friction at the front and a speed clip on the frame rail, yellow arrow. With the tray removed, you will see the radiator drain plug, red arrow, and the spigot, yellow arrow, on the lower front of the car. Place a catch bucket or tray under the plug and open the drain plug. The fluid drains out of a small spigot facing downwards. Drain the radiator completely. Working from the top, you will need to remove the cap, yellow arrow, which if is good you can reuse, the sensor harness, red arrow, and the overflow tube, green arrow. The sensor harness removes by squeezing it in and pulling it straight off of the reservoir, red arrow. Use a set of pliers and carefully remove the overflow hose, red arrow. The nipple on the reservoir can get brittle and break off in the hose. Remove the 2 Phillips head screws, red arrows, holding the reservoir to the mount in the engine compartment. Lift up the reservoir and remove the lower hose, as indicated by the red arrow. The new reservoir comes with sensor already built into it. There are markings on the side of the reservoir for the fluid level, red arrow, the type of fluid, yellow arrow. This is made for the G12 coolant. Make sure to check with your owner's manual on the type of coolant used in your vehicle and do not mix them. Installation is the reverse of removal, and don't forget to top up the reservoir. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.